a needle float on water. Isn't it amazing? Let's see if a needle floats. I'm taking a needle and putting it in. It sinks. Now let's take a small piece of tissue paper and place the needle on it. Then place the tissue paper along with the needle gently on the water. After some time, the tissue paper gets soaked in water and sinks, and it will allow the needle to float. Hey look, the needle is floating on the water now. The needle floats due to a concept called surface tension. Let's quickly see about it. Surface tension is a property of liquids on the surface of the water. The water molecules are attached to each other, which is called the cohesive force, and it resists an external force. Let me explain it to you now. Due to cohesive forces of water, every water molecule are pulled from every side. But what will happen to the water molecules on its surface? They are pulled by water molecules on one side and air molecules on the other side. This makes a tension parallel to the water surface that makes the needle float. The attraction between water molecules which create the surface tension is higher than the weight of the needle, and that's why the needle is able to float, which is the curve you are seeing around the needle. You can also try these floating experiments with lighter objects like pens, aluminium coins, etc. I have tried it with an aluminium coin as well. See, both the needle and the aluminium coins are floating. The same concept is behind, which explains small insects that walk on water. I hope you'll try this at home. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the video. Thank you.